It was supposed to be a great year. And honestly, it was. After years of hard work, the business was finally taking off. More customers, more projects. They hired a few people, bought some new equipment. Things were going really, really well. It finally felt like all that hard work was paying off. Then, towards the end of the year, in the middle of the night, they got a tax projection. They were looking at a tax bill of about $148,000. And they weren't prepared for it. It's not like they had all that money just sitting around in the bank. They'd been putting it back into the business. Employees, equipment, their family. He looked at his wife and said, I don't know how we're going to pay this. A few nights later, his wife was scrolling on her phone and came across a video from Crawford, Carter, and Durbin. She listened for a minute and said, hey, come watch this. Because what she was hearing was that they might still have some time to do something. See, getting a big tax projection doesn't necessarily mean the conversation is over. Depending on the situation, there may still be a planning opportunity before the end of the year, and sometimes even before the return is filed. And that's when it clicked. Wait, we can still do something, he said. So they scheduled a call with CCD, Crawford, Carter, and Durbin. Nothing complicated. They just wanted someone to look at their situation and tell them what their options actually were. And that's really what the conversation gave them. They understood what they were facing, which strategies actually made sense for them, and what they needed to do next. For the first time since seeing that tax number, they had a plan. Now, did the tax bill just magically disappear? No, but that wasn't really the point. They went from feeling completely caught off guard to knowing they still had options and having a plan for what came next. So if you're a business and you had a breakout year, or you're looking at a tax bill you weren't expecting, please don't assume it's too late to have the conversation. Stop preparing for your taxes and start controlling them. Schedule a tax control consultation with Crawford, Carter, and Durbin today.